You can see here question number 1 is given, NVMP we have to calculate, IC is given 1000, TAP is given 50, NIT 150, sales 2000, exports 200, and FITA, that is net factor income to abroad, I have written in short, and change in stock is given minus 50. So we have to, first of all we need to write formula, GVAMP is equal to value of output minus IC, and the value of output you know that is sales plus change in stock. Value of output means the part which is sold and whatever remains unsold, that is known as change in stock, and minus IC means intermediate cost, that is cost of raw material. So sales is given here 2000, you can see the sales I have written, minus change in stock, that is given in minus 50 I have written, minus we need to take in bracket, otherwise we can do mistakes, minus IC is given 1000, so that is 2000 minus 1050. Now you need to take, okay, 950 you got your answer, that is GVA MP. Now you have to calculate NVMP, that is given in your question, NVAMP. Okay, GVAMP you have calculated, that is 950. So here we have to go from gross to net, that is minus TAP, VA, these are common, MP is common, so 950 minus DAP is given in question 50, so your answer will be 900. If the value is given in lakhs, so then your answer will be in lakhs. If the value is given in crores, then the answer will be in crores. Now come to next question. Next question, NVFC we have to calculate. Sales is given, opening stock is given, depreciation is given, IC is given, exports are given, change in stock is given, net indirect tax is given, and factor income to abroad is. Now we can see here 300 minus 200 I have written, 300 plus closing stock 20 given, and minus 40 opening stock, and minus 120 IC given. So 300 minus 20 minus 120, that is 160, that is your GVA MP. Now you have to calculate NVA FC. So what we write on left hand side, that is not given, what is to be calculated, and on right hand side, that is left hand side, what do we write? On left hand side we have to write what is to calculate, and on right hand side we write what is given. So we have calculated, it was not given but we have calculated on the basis of these data. So GVMP minus TAP minus NIT, GVMP 160 we calculated, minus DAP 30 given, and minus, that is depreciation, and minus net indirect tax, that is given 15. So we have calculated 160 minus 45, that is 115, and the value were given in lakhs. Now you can see question number 3rd, NVFC we have to calculate. Sales is given, change in stock is given, that is given in minus, intermediate consumption is given, that is known as intermediate cost, and net indirect tax is given 40, exports are given 50, and depreciation is given 30. Whenever sales is given directly, the value of export is already included in it, so no need to add this exports here. If domestic sales is given, domestic sales, I told you sales within domestic territory, sales are of two types. One is within domestic territory, and number 2 is outside the country we sell, that is known as exports. Okay, what we export out, what we sell outside, that is known as export. And domestic sales means sale within the domestic territory. So if direct sales is given, so no need to add exports. Clear? So here we have can calculate value of output minus GVMP. Again we have to write the same formula, GVMP, gross value added at market price, is equal to value of output minus IC. Here we can write sales plus change in stock minus IC. Okay, now sales is given 400, I can see 400 is given, plus change in stock, that is minus 20, so we need to keep in bracket, and minus IC is given 200, so 400 minus 220. So now you can see we have calculated this GVMP, that is 180. Now we have to calculate NVFC, that was given in our question, and GVAMP we have calculated, that is 180 is given. We can write here 180. So gross to net, when you will go gross to net, you have to subtract depreciation and market price to factor cost we have to go, that is minus NIT. So we can put this value, depreciation 30 given and minus NIT 40 given. So we can calculate this, 180 minus 70, that is 110 is your answer, 110 lakh. Okay, if the value is given in crores, then the answer will be crore. If the value is given in lakhs, then answer will be in lakhs. Okay, now we can go for next question. Here calculate NVFC, IC 300, change in stock 50, NIT 70, sales 500, depreciation 20, and imports 40. So here we can calculate again GVA MP is equal to value of output minus IC, that is sales plus change in stock minus IC. Okay, now we can put the value, sales given 500 and plus change in stock is given 50 and minus IC is given 300. So 550 minus 300, that is 250. This 250 we have calculated GVA MP. Now in question we have to calculate NVA FC. So GVA MP we will write here, gross to net you are going, so you will deduct depreciation, market price to factor cost you are going, so what you will do, minus NIT. Okay, now put all the value, GVA MP how much, 250 minus DAP is given, DAP 20 and NIT 70. So 250 minus 20 minus 70, that is 250 minus 90, that is 160. If the value is given in lakh, I told you in question it was given in lakhs, so answer will be in lakh. Okay. Now we can move on to next question. Next question, it is given calculate GVAFC. Domestic sale is given 3000. Change in stock is given -100. Depreciation is given 300. IC is given 2000 and exports are given 500 and indirect tax is given 250 and NFIA is given -50. Here you can see domestic sales clearly given. I told you sales within the domestic territory and what we sell outside, that is known as export. We say exports. So here domestic sales plus exports we will add in sales. In sale both will be added, domestic sales plus exports. Now you can see here GVMP is equal to value of output minus IC. I told you domestic sales is given and exports are given. So here direct sales is not given, so we will take both domestic sales plus exports minus plus change in stock and minus IC. So 3000 plus 500 we will add and minus change in stock is given -100 and minus IC 2000 is given. So 3500 minus 2100, that is 1400. So GVMP we got 1400. Now we have to go for next. We have to calculate GVAFC. Step by step if you go, the answer you will get correct answer. Okay, you will get correct answer. So GVAFC is equal to GVMP, that is MP2 factor cost you will go minus NIT and 1400 minus 250 minus 0, that is IT. NIT is the difference between the IT and indirect taxes and subsidy. So I have written IT minus subsidy. If subsidy is not given, take it as 0, only IT will be written. So you will get this answer 1150. If the value is given in lakhs, you can write lakhs. In crore, you can write crores.